Welcome back everyone to my second video on repairing Windows based machines. So in the previous video we talked about fixing easily fixable issues, and in this video we are going to cover the issues that are not that simple. So we're gonna need to reverse the time back to a point that our machine used to work fine. So I'm going to cover three concepts. First one is going to be Windows Restore. In Windows Restore, we can keep the files and almost all the programs if we have a restore point. Second part gonna be System Refresh or Windows Refresh. This is going to keep all our files, but it's gonna move back the computer from software side to the point that we didn't have any software except Windows default software. Third one is going to be basically a factory reset to a point that we didn't have any additional software installed. We didn't have any software or any files basically on our computer. If none of these work, we're gonna need to create a USB media and install the Windows from scratch. That's gonna be another video which I'm gonna create pretty soon. Let's start. So in order to make everything easy, I installed another operating system on my virtual machine. It's another Windows 10, nothing different. First, I'm going to start with showing how to create a restore point. Hit the start button, type restore or create a restore point. You're going to see this icon. Click on it and this is going to show up. So in many cases, in most cases, Windows has its own restore points automatically created by itself. Let's say after every major update, after installing some software which is going to change system files, after all of those, Windows create the update by itself. However, this can be disabled. You can disable it or you can re-enable it. I'm going to show you the hard case which it is not enabled. So on C drive you see that this is off. Obviously we don't have any system restore point and we cannot create any. So just click on it, go to configure, turn on system protection. Okay, so now it is on. We are going to create a restore point. Just hit click, create and type test point 1. If you are installing, I don't know, Photoshop, type it before installing Photoshop or after successful install of Photoshop. Create a restore point. It is not going to take so long. After maybe about a minute or two, this is going to be done at most. When we are going to use these restore points, we are going to click on System Restore from right over here. I'm going to need to wait for this to finish up its work. And it's done. So that restore point should be in our system restore points. By clicking on it, next, we're gonna see this right over here. If it is, if there are more points, you can click whichever is the right time that you guess it should be the best for reversing it. Hit next, next. It's gonna start reversing. It's really that simple. Let's say this didn't fix the issue that we are dealing with. We are going to do the second choice, which is keeping our files, which is going to be our images, documents, videos, all of those. We are just going to get rid of the software. Hit the start button. Hold your shift key on your keyboard and click on power. keep holding the shift button and click on restart. It seems that everything is restarting as it normally does, but at the end it's going to show us the troubleshooting screen. So when we get over here, click on troubleshoot, reset this PC, and we're going to see the both options that we were talking about. The one which we can keep the files and get rid of the software, and the second one gets rid of both of those. So let's say keep my files. You're seeing this screen, but on your computer it's going to continue from here. A quick restart on your machine and it's going to go back to a screen which is asking for your username. Now if you have a password, you're going to need to enter the password, otherwise just click on username. Let's give it a second. Here it is. Click on user. If you have a password again, you're going to hit the password to enter the password, otherwise just hit continue. This is basically all what we have to do. I'm going to keep this video super short, and on next video we're going to see if none of these work, how we are going to fix the issue. So at this point we can click on reset, or I'm going to cancel it for now. Thank you so much for watching.